Now, there are two types of substance. First is diathermonious substance and second is athermonious substance. The substance which transmit the heat radiation incident on it, that substance is called as diathermonious substance. In diathermonious substance, that the coefficient of transmission is not equal to 0. Means the body which is transmitting the thermal radiation incident on it, that is called as diathermonious substance. Now the example is glass, quartz, sodium chloride, hydrogen and oxygen. In this case, the diharmonious substance, since the heat thermal radiation is transmitted, so it is not a good absorber or good reflector. Aharmonious substance is those substance through which there is no transmission of heat radiation or thermal radiation. So this type of substance is called as aharmonious substance. In this case, the coefficient of transmission is equal to G. Its example is water, wood, iron, copper, moist air, benzene, etc. Now, in aharmonious substance, that coefficient of transmission is 0, means no thermal radiation is transmitted through the body, so coefficient of transmission is 0. And suppose that no thermal radiation is absorbed by the body, that means the coefficient of absorption is 0. So if T are 0 and A are 0, then the whole radiation incident on the body is reflected, so R is equal to 1. So it is a good reflector but poor absorber. In another case, if the coefficient of reflection is 0 and coefficient of transmission is 0 and the whole amount of thermal radiation incident on it is absorbed, that is A is equal to 1, that is a good observer. So this whole amount of heat radiation incident on it and it is completely absorbed by the body, then it is called perfect black body. So perfect black body, its definition is the substance which completely absorbs the heat radiation or thermal radiation incident on the body, that body is called as perfect black body. In perfect black body, coefficient of absorption is 1, transmission and reflection, coefficient of reflection is G, both are there. Now, the perfect black body we consider lamp black or platinum black as the black body. It absorbs the 97% of the radiation heat incident on it. Ferry was the scientist who constructed a perfect black body. In this Ferry's black body, it consists of double wall halo sphere having the small opening or aperture. The inner surface of double wall and the outer surface of the halosphere is coated with the silver polish. Now, a conical projection is mounted in front of the small opening or aperture. Inner surface Ferry's black body is coated with the lamp black. That is, the surface is coated with the lamp black. Now, when the incident radiation pass through the opening or aperture and incident on the conical projection, it get reflected and there is multiple reflection inside the body. Thus, whole amount of the heat radiation pass through the opening is absorbed. So this is the Ferry's perfectly black body. Now, another way was the scientist who taken the cylindrical body with vertical slit with its opening or aperture, and perform the experiment. It act as a perfectly black body. Now, in this case, it has the greater effective area as a perfect black body. So this is the lens. Another lens cavity rotator also, that is also act as a black body.